So hello friends, welcome to Intron YouTube channel and learning session of learning Python with the Intron. In this video, we will see what is an method overriding. So already we have seen what is an overloading in the previous videos, and we know that there are two ways to acquire the polymorphism, that is method overloading and method overriding. So in previous videos we have seen what is overloading, and now in this video we will see what is an overriding. So when a method in a subclass has the same name, or we can say same parameters and same return type as a method in the superclass, then the method in the subclass is said to override the method in an superclass. So this definition looks little complex. We will try to understand it through one example. So I'll create here one class called as parent. So here is my class parent. In that I will create one method called as fun. I will pass myself here, and in this I will give print command as print I am the parent class. Printing that I am the parent class. Now what we will do, we will create one child class, and we will give simply here pass. That pass means that there is nothing present in that particular class, that it is an empty. Definition is empty. So what we will do, we will create one object of the child class. Obj is my object of child class, and now let's give call to the fun method, like obj dot fun. We are doing this so that we can understand what this definition means. Now let's try to run our program. So here is the output, that I am the parent class. Whatever present in the parent class will be called. So how it is called, we have seen the concept of inheritance. So whatever is present in this parent class is inherited to this child class. So all the methods will be also inherited. So that's why we are able to call it by using the method of child class. So as we have seen in the definition, when a method in a subclass has the same name, so this is our base class, or we can say parent class, and this is our subclass that is being derived from this parent class. We have seen in definition, when a method in subclass has the same name. So what we will do, we will simply make here one method that is having the similar name. That is, here in parent we have one method called as fun, as well as in the child also we will create one method called as the fun. And now let's try to run our program. So we have done nothing, we have just created here one same method. So now let's change here the string. It will tell that I am child class, and now we have here made an object of child class, and we are giving call to the fun method. Previously what used to do, we have given call and this method used to be executed. So now let's check in this case what happens. So now the call goes to the child class method, that is I am the child class will be printed. So previously what we have done, we were not having this line. So the call used to do this is class 1, that is parent, and second is class child, that is being inherited from that parent, and the method should have the similar name. So here also we have the fun named method, and in child also we have the method called as the fun, and we have given to call to just the fun method. So what happens, this fun method will be overridden by this method. So whatever the method present in the child class will get called, not in the parent class. So what in the case if you want to call this parent class method also, in that case you should create their new object of parent class separate. It will be like parent obj dot obj1 dot. Now it will give call to the one method present in the parent class. Here is my output, that I am child class and I am parent class. So thank you friends, and keep learning.